In this session, we will understand different interface design methods available to create Windows applications. In an SDI application, a single form window is designed with controls for user interaction and display data to the user. The form has a sizing border, title bar, menu, minimize and maximize button. It can only support one kind of document. Multiple document interface applications enable us to display multiple documents at the same time, with each document displayed in its own window. It has three kinds of windows: a frame window, an MDI client window, as well as number of child windows. The frame window is like main window of the application. It has a sizing border, title bar, menu, minimize and maximize buttons. An MDI client window is a special type of child window of the frame window and serves as the background for child windows. It is a container for MDI child forms. MDI child form is where we design controls for user interaction. When the user opens or creates a new document, a new child window is created, which is displayed in the MDI client area. MDI applications can support more than one kind of document. MDI applications are well suited to implement document view architecture. It is a type of software design pattern where the data is stored in the document class and displayed to the user in the view class, which is the child window class. The document class can support operations such as loading and saving data. Now let us explore how to develop MDI application. Here is the interface of the MDI form. Any form can be converted to MDI form by setting the isMDI container property in the properties window. We can then add other controls like menu strip, tool strip and status strip to the form and set their properties and events. Now since we have to implement the document view architecture, we need a document class and a child window class. Child window class is derived from form class from the system Windows Forms namespace. To display the child window, we add click event handler to the new toolstrip menu item and add the code. Here we define the child window object and set its MDI parent property to the main form and set its title, then display the form. Let's run the program. When we click New Menu button, a new child window is displayed.